like a clutch purse. You know, you don't want to just set it down, but then again, there's no strap on it, so where are you going to put it?
Clutch purse, strap on. So how do you differentiate between good cocaine and bad cocaine?
What do you mean? What's it like? Depends what kind of cocaine you get.
Well,
if you get good cocaine, it's great. If you get shitty cocaine, it's shitty cocaine.
How do you differentiate between good cocaine and bad cocaine?
Well, I don't do it anymore, so it's not even an issue. But I remember my buddy Chris Christopherson had some. We were at a Gemco. That was an old-fashioned. It used to be like a Target. But we were in there. We were stealing like those little bunch of little animals and things they got for animals, for dogs or cats. As little toys. We're putting them in our shorts, and that would just I don't.
By the way, you just look like a million.
My friends call me the T, and that includes you. Today I'm filling in.
Seen you in a while. How long's it been? How long's it been? I haven't seen you in a while.
In love with Bruce Lee, and he played Kato.
Yeah. Did you know that Kato is actually the name of a Native American tribe?
Ever done a Zoom before?
I remember someone wrote that when I did Hollywood Squares, because it was right around when things were a little gray, if you will, and someone said this.
No, we understand.
Is that so as to subdue somebody, or is that supposed to like make you feel you're in some sort of ship?
Can I ask the questions, please? A lot of great minds end up deluded, have schizophrenia, end up into psychosis. So I use music as a place to kind of keep me balanced, balance the soul.
Thank you for balancing this show out,
This was a complete disaster.
Dude, I love you, man. Are you kidding me?
This is great. This is fantastic. Okay, so here's the deal. I wrote some. Don't know exactly. About is the burrito supreme. Have you had the burrito supreme at Taco Bell?
So here we go. I actually am a bean burrito. That's it. I do that at Taco Bell. And I do it pretty often. I've done it after I've been.
And what after March across your forehead and equalization, two different hands, holding it. One holds a steak knife, the other one holds a butter knife. You know what I mean?
Yeah. It kind of balanced me off. It feels like an equilibrium. Mind, body, and so science is for the mind. Comedy is for the body, and music is for the soul. So it's like a trichotomy.
They're the exact same phenomena. So there's a number of different.
Dude.
Pathological compulsion is an abnormal, constant